Hey there, traders. It is Tuesday, April 26, 2022, and we got TLT back on our radar today for our first cherry bomb of the week. And I can see now that I got this thumbnail wrong. You see how it has 2 drops of liquidity? That's not correct. It's 4 drops of liquidity. However, we're going to be in the weeklies thanks to the cherry bomb we get from Tasty Trade. Link in the description below if you want to get emails from Tasty Trade with trade ideas 4 days a week. We put those trades on here, by the way. So those weeklies will probably make the liquidity suffer down to a 2 level, 2 drops of liquidity level. Anyway, if you're interested, we already have 2 positions currently on. They were neutral positions, but they've moved against us. But they're still in profitable at expiration territory. So we are going to put on another bullish trade. If you're interested, stick around. We'll go over it. If not, have a wonderful day, and let's get going. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us here. We can see we're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading here, and I just pulled up the chart here for TLT. If you're not sure, that's the it tracks ETF that tracks the Treasury Bonds. And you can see here we've like yesterday's trade on SPY, which was pretty awesome. Maybe if I have a moment, I will stick around. I'll cover yesterday's trade profitability. It hit the bottom band and is coming up. We have definitely been catching the falling knife. Man, it would be nice if TLT came up for us. That'd be great. Now, let's see what happens. Let's go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the June 3rd weekly expiration with 38 days to expiration as of today. We're going to be looking at selling of the 118 put, so I would click on the bid for the 118 and then hold down the Control key and click on the Ask for the 116 put. That's selling a 34 delta put and buying a 26 delta put. Low interest, open interest here, so not my favorite to have a 21-cent bid-ask spread. Yeah, that stinks, right? Okay. Anyway, there that is. And the trade does collect 65 cents using mid prices, I'm assuming. 65 cents of credit, which is 1/3 the width of the strikes, which is a Tasty Trade mechanic. Let's take a look at the risk profile where I've already got that cooked in here. So I've got the date in the top right over here, matching the date in blue that we see in the bottom left of this risk profile. And I've got the price slice set to right exactly where the blue line crosses the $0 axis. At expiration, that tells us we have a 65% probability of at least making a penny or $1 on this trade is what we call that one, right? So what's our max loss? $135. So you could have a pretty good return on capital. And according to Tasty Works, the P50, which is the probability of us collecting half of the credit in the next 38 days, that is an 80% probability. If you're the kind of person that would like to manage this the Tasty Trade way, which is at 50% of the max profit or 21 days to expiration, this could work out well for you, right? All right, let's go ahead and right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send. And we can see, if I click this button here, this is that window here. And you can see, by the way, I have Tasty Works back here. That's where I get that probability from, the P50 metric. So we're looking at the same numbers I told you before. Max profit 65, max loss 135. I'm going to put it in the margin account, which is going to hold the whole $135 of buying power effect. Sure, whatever. And we're going to go ahead and hit Send. I'm going to go back to the full screen view here. And just to show you here, we've got the position that we just looked at, went away here. And then we've got the position we currently have, which is the strangle in the margin account. And we have an iron condor in the IRA account, as this was a trade we did a while ago. And we are testing out the effects of 2 different trades, two similar but different trades and their performance. All right. So with that, I did say if I had an extra moment. By the way, I'm done with this TLT trade. I just want to take a brief moment to show you how yesterday went. I think it was the IRA account. We put on SPYs, and we were down nearly $300 at one point when I had a moment to quickly look at lunch. And then it came back at the end of the day, for a $472 profit. Normally, I'd take that kind of money and run. But I'm going to hold for a little bit and see what happens. I still feel like there's room. There's room for us to come back up here. I mean, I could see myself taking it when we get to the middle of the band. But granted, like I said, when it hits the bottom, it seems to go back up to the top. Not always. Right here we hit the bottom, and we didn't make it to the top. So maybe to follow that whole pigs get fed and hogs get slaughtered, or however that works, I'm going to go with trying to close it if I get nearish that middle band. How did it go for you yesterday? Did that trade fill? Well, either way, I appreciate you being here and watching to the end of the videos. Big thumbs up to you. I hope you liked this video. If you found any value out of this video, please hit that like button. And if you feel like you'd like to get some more value, you can hit that subscribe button if you have not already. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, may the market be with you.